All right, so let's take a look at this Knipex adjustable wrench in black, model 8601180, made in Germany. This is a 7-inch, and I tell you, these pliers are absolutely amazing. Let's take a look at this, just excellent. All right, you have the adjustable button, and you have the sizes in the little window, basically, in millimeters, and then you have them here, you know, like 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, so an absolute beast of a wrench. You have nice grip, excellent quality. Okay, and you know, it's very small, 7 inches. They do have different sizes. So this is the 7 inches, like a 7 1/4, but pretty much a 7-inch. So if you want to pretty much replace these adjustable wrenches, they're a little bit bulkier, even the bigger one, and even as far as replacing one of these. Okay. So let's see how far it actually opens. It's all the way. If you can see, this is a 10-inch pliers from Knipex also. The only thing is that you get a little bit more openness on these than you do on this. It's a different type of plier, but for being a 7-inch, you do have a large opening compared to this one, slightly more. And obviously this one, same thing. So you can pretty much replace both of these with this plier right here, or wrench. So great for plumbing, pretty much anything. Find your size that you need. And once you get a grip on this, oh, this is fantastic. So if you have small hands like me and you want to open it up just a little bit more, you go one more notch. So, you know, when you're holding it, it's a little bit closer together. So you have different options. If you want to do something a little bit bigger, here you go. Oop. And you have an amazing grip on this thing. It's not going anywhere. So nice and compact. Also very, very narrow if you compare it to the difference. Really like that. Probably even more narrow than this one. So you can't go wrong with the brand, you can't go wrong with the style. Versatile, absolutely fantastic.